Hey guys, Ashley Pederson here with Promo Realty, and I'm standing outside this adorable and affordable home located on West Main Street here in Jefferson City. It's 1629 West Main. Great property, tons of character. When you walk inside, you'll notice the beautiful hardwood floors, really pretty fireplace. You have a formal dining room. Also, you have an updated kitchen as well, and another family room area. I love the screened-in porch. There's a nice big screened-in porch on the back. You have a fenced-in backyard, a 2-car carport, and then main level living laundry, which is so hard to find in these older homes with character. But this one is main level laundry. Upstairs, 3 bedrooms and an updated bathroom. There is also another bathroom on the main level. So I don't think this one will last long, but sit back and enjoy the tour.